of all, I would like to say how proud I am of my brother, and I wish you the best of luck and happiness starting your baseball career at Valdosta State. I'd like everyone to join me in a toast to the most incredible person I have ever known. The thoughtful, talented, tough, and tender man I know is my brother. Although I have not known Brandon a lifetime, he has shown undeniable loyalty as my brother. No matter the situation or outcome, he is there. The both of us met our senior year of high school through mutual friends. Brandon was not the most outspoken person I had ever met. He was quiet and kept to himself, almost as if he had nothing to say at all about anything. But as days and weeks went by, the tough outer shell that he wore began to shed. Once that shell was extinct, it became clear he had countless remarks to make, both positive and negative. Underneath, I found my best friend, my brother, my Brandon. My brother looks at the world a little different than most. His melodramatic traditions are just one of the examples. I mean, who winks and snaps at a light every night before they go to bed? Who has to start a fire with the same exact lighter every time? Not to mention if he loses it and acts as if he wants the reinforcements called and missing flyers put up. Many of you know exactly what I'm referring to, and most have experienced these traditions. Although my brother has some unique ways of looking at the world, and the majority of the time I mock them. The truth is, I commend him for his individuality. I admire many traits of my best friend. His constant strive to achieve his goals in life offers inspiration to never let the ambition that I have slip away, no matter how many roads it takes to arrive at the destination. His admirable sense of bravery he represents each day, almost as if he's invincible and nothing can harm him. I have always admired my brother for the way he chooses to view the world. How when one person sees the moon as a crescent, he sees it as a thumbnail. My brother offers a continuous sense of chivalry expressed through his conventional courage, charity, and compassion. His perpetual sense of humor brings bliss and a smile to wherever he may go. I cannot count the number of times we've been in a quiet, depressing place, such as high school, and Brandon comes up with something so irrelevant and ridiculous it becomes impossible not to laugh. Especially when I was feeling blue, the traits that I would have normally found annoying brought peace and cheerfulness to my day. Brandon has always had a way of making a horrible day seem not so horrible. Watching you leave will be bittersweet. Our friendship, or siblingship as we refer to it, has had to learn how to adjust and bend, more than most relationships do in a lifetime. You have taught me how to believe I can move a mountain, and now you have to believe you can. I cannot put in words how proud I am of everything you have accomplished. Although it will be challenging to see you go, I know Valdosta baseball is calling your name. I will miss you tremendously, as there's no way it will ever be the same without you. However, you have left many lessons and tribulations behind that everyone in this room has gained knowledge from. You are a remarkable man that I cannot express the impact you have made on my life. For many years, I recognized family by the blood that is shared between one another. But throughout the past few years, I have learned that blood is not what connects people, but how your hearts are forever intertwined with one another. As Desmond Tutu described it, you don't choose your family. They are God's gift to you as you are to them. He was right about this. Family is not sharing a mutual name, similar features, or being raised under the same roof. Family is the unexplainable bond, the steady love, and the everlasting impression they left in your heart. My best friend, my brother, my Brandon, is my family.